An Assistive Technology Product Guide. Chapter 1. Assistive Adaptive Technology Equipment. Learn about assistive products. THEWRIGHT-STUFF.com includes comprehensive listing of tools, appliances, equipment, rehabilitation devices, and unique healthcare products. Major assistive technology websites: dol.gov/odp/topics/disability.htm, atia.org, Assistive Technology Industry Association, abledata.com, information and links on assistive technology, including over 30,000 reviews on adaptive equipment. accessiblesociety.org, Center for an Accessible Society. AssistiveTech.net, a database of assistive technology products. ATI-ALLIANCE.net, the International Alliance of Assistive Technology Information Providers. icdri.org/prodsurvey.htm, International Center for Disability Resources on the Internet, ICDRI, Raleigh, NC, offers comprehensive accessibility analysis for companies and their products, and technical support to meet workplace, information systems, and website accessibility requirements. medicaldevices.org, the Medical Device Manufacturers Association. rsna.org, Rehabilitation Engineering and Assistive Technology Society of North America. techconnections.org, allows users to search a comprehensive resource of applications of assistive technology related to vocational rehabilitation needs. DimeNet.com, DimeNet Network is a national computer networking system which provides Internet access, electronic bulletin boards and database information systems to disability rights and independent living advocates. asadecguide.org. Assistive Adaptive Technology Websites. 1. The following are resources for assistive living technologies. Some are retailers, some general information websites. If you need medical equipment but can't afford it, contact the local charities who might be able to help you. atia.org, Assistive Technology Industry Association. a4access.org. aavans.com/wheelchair vans nationwide. aapd.com/links/linkassisttech.php, assistive technology. abilitations.com, 800-850-8602, 800-850-8603. abilityhub.com, Ability Hub Assistive Technology Solutions. abilitynet.co.uk, AbilityNet. abledata.com, 800-227-0216 has a database of assistive devices. abledata.org. ablephone.com. abletowork.org. accentonliving.com. access.adobe.com. accessibilitynewsinternational.com. accessiblesociety.org, Center for an Accessible Society. accessdr.com, 800-634-4351, Access to Recreation. accessunlimited.com. acsw.com, Academic Software. activewords.com. ada.gov, ADA homepage, us.j. adagreatlakes.org/publications/@bulletin. adaptive.org. afb.org, Federation of the Blind. aginginplace.org, Assistive Technology Info. alds.com, Assistive Listening Device Systems Inc. allair.com. allegromedical.com, 800-861-3211. alphasmart.com, Special Keyboards. aodmobility.com, Advanced Orthotic Designs Inc. apple.com/education/k12/disability. apple-imac.com/quicktime, closed captioning. apt.gc.ca. infoworld.com. assis-tech.com. assistivedesigns.com, products. assistivemedia.org, Assistive Media. ataccess.com. ataccess.org, Alliance for Technology Access, This site contains an annotated list of vendors offering assistive technology as well as information about accessible web page design. Assistive Adaptive Technology Websites 2. aagi.com. access-board.gov/sec508/assessment.htm. adobe.com, make adobe.com accessible to people with disabilities. adaporg.org, Association of Tech Act Projects, collaborate with persons with disabilities and others to increase the availability and utilization of assistive technology devices and services. atcenter.com/windows.html. atechnews.com, Assistive Technology News. atechnews.com/blog. at-links.gc.ca/as. att.com/enterprise. atto.buffalo.edu, Assistive Technology Training Online, free, online training in assistive technology for students with disabilities. augcomm.com, augmentative/alternative communication devices. aware.hwg.org, Aware Center homepage, HTML Writers Guild. bbc.co.uk/education/Betsy. bbedit.com. beachwheelchair.com. bedhandles.com, 800-725-6903. blind.net, BlindNet. This site has one of the most comprehensive list of companies and non-profit organizations providing products and services for blind and visually handicapped as well as some aids for people with other types of disabilities on the net. boulevard.com/accent, 800-787-8444. bruno.com, 800-882-8183, Independent Living Aids. bucky.aa.uic.edu. Kando.com. Captions.org, Closed Captioning. Cast.org, Cast, Center for Applied Special Technology. c-cad.org, Computer Assistance to the Disabled. cfda.gov, Domestic Assistance Federal Catalog. cforat.org, CAT, Center for Accessible Technology, Berkeley. ClosingTheGap.com, Closing the Gap, Computer Technology in Special Education and Rehabilitation. coast-resources.com, 800-269-4663, Continence Supplies. cody.buffalo.edu/assist4.htm, Assistive Technology. colorado.edu/@conference. communicationaids.com. commware-tech.com, Hearing Impaired. comop.org/passfact.htm. cosmos.ot.buffalo.edu/aztec.html, Assistive Technology. crotchedmountain.org/assistivetech.htm, Assistive Technology Unit, works with disabled students who need adaptations made on their wheelchairs, computers, environmental controls, and communication devices. csli.stanford.edu/arch/arch. deafworldweb.org. dike.org/etechshar.htm. Assistive Adaptive Technology Websites 3. dftoys.com, 800-308-2208, Toys for Disabled Kids. directory.fsf.org/project/gnome, the new desktop. disability.com. dlrp.org/html/publications/technology.html. dragonzeast.com. dreamms.org, Assistive Technology Info. duxburysystems.com, Braille Planet, resources on or off the web. Braille Planet offers access to product vendors and services for blind and visually impaired persons. dynavoxcease.com, speech devices. dynedns.org/chip, computers for handicapped independence program. eaststreetco.com, support at easystreetco.com, 800-959-EASY. easyaccess.com. edapta.com. edfacilities.org/rl/accessibility.cfm Commons F Information Resources, Accessibility in Schools. edu-cyberpg.com/teachers/specneeds.html. edutopia.org, Assistive Technology. enablemart.com. enablingdevices.com, 800-832-8697. ets.uidaho.edu/idatech, Idaho Assistive Technology Project. fcc.gov/cib/dro/sts.html, a service mandated by the Federal Communications Commission that enables people with a speech disability to use their own voice prosthesis, or communication device to make or relay phone call with a communication assistant. findersmedical.com, new and used medical equipment. flaghouse.com, 800-793-7900, 800-265-6900, Canada. frontend.com. go.to/Larry Stillman, Larry Stillman's links. gpk.com. gwmicro.com/gwtext. halftheplanet.com. handicapsync.com.